Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know how to find a program, Armstrong number in Python program using ChatGPT AI tool. How to build this complete source code for your convenient of understanding of the logic and implementing and running. So ChatGPT is an open source AI tool, chat.openai.com, the website URL. It's a non-profit organization and open source code which is built the tool of artificial intelligence to making what you require and get the answer immediately. In terms of coding or general issues or making letters or any other source of information which will build you and give you more accurately. And this tool is getting better on every day. So register now for free for using Gmail or Microsoft to any one of the account to get a free account, and what you want to know and test it before going to be apply in your real world career. So my question is, write a program to check the Armstrong number in Python code. Instead of Python, this is a lecture I am creating for Python. Instead of Python, if you want to make it JavaScript or C# or Java or any other programming language, you just simply change this keyword and ask to your ChatGPT. So initiate how to ask a question to the ChatGPT. Go over here and just simply hit ChatGPT in your Google. Now you will see the first link, OpenAI.com. So see, ChatGPT launched OpenAI in very recently, November 2022, which is using to the large languages model and fine-tuned with the supervised and reinforcement language techniques which are applied. Now go over here and click for ChatGPT. So here you just simply scroll down a little bit, try ChatGPT. If you are new to starting at ChatGPT, it will ask you to sign up now, and immediately you just go, if you are having Gmail or Microsoft, you just apply and log in with these accounts using, or else any of your email ID you just specify and go for creating and initiating login and log into this ChatGPT. Now you see here in this window, once your login credentials are successful, you need to type here what is your query. So my query is, what is a program to write a program to check Armstrong number in Python. So take a copy and paste, send a message how you will send in WhatsApp, the same way you have to send. AI immediately analyze and it will understand, it will give you, see here is a Python program to check given number is Armstrong number or not. Let's check. It's creating, defining means like it's a definition, means it's a function it is creating. Is Armstrong n is like a temp, like a given number it is storing into the temp variable, and sum it is given, while loop it is implemented, if else condition, and 153 it is a by default it's taken as some data, or else you can take it as a input and your number also you can specify over here. And along with this code, in addition to this example function, how it is prepared and what the condition it is giving, all the things it is given to you. So shall we test this with using PyCharm? In my computer, Python environment is readily available with Python and PyCharm Community Edition to test such type of codes and learning of Python and all. Now go back. Here I am creating one new file in Python. Come here and Python file and Armstrong dot any of the file name you can create it. Come back to the ChatGPT. Copy of this code. There is a super easy facility, copy of code. There is a fully you can use and utilize your code in your way. So come back to PyCharm and paste here. So this is the code for Armstrong. If you need any comment line, you just put a comment line and take a copy of what is Armstrong. Yes, program in Python. Alright. Now this is the function it is prepared. Let's check 153 it is given, where if it is by identifying and by calling this function, the number is passing to the function, where it is a Armstrong number or not, it is identifying. Just run this code now quickly. Yeah, 153 is an Armstrong number it is saying. Wow, what you need more? 158. Let's check it. Let's run the program. Yes, it's not an Armstrong number. So identify what the requirement you need to build in your code. ask a question to your particular PyCharm, like using ChatGPT to build the code and get it and run and integrate your real world project. How super easy. So learn today and learn the skills more than others as master. I hope it's a super easy lecture for you too. For more video lectures, please do subscribe now and get more informations related to coding and develop your career as a master. Thank you.